We can't talk about website search ranking without talking about keywords. You could be #1 for a particular keyword phrase, but that doesn't mean it will bring in the best results.
That's right. The title of this course, Tips to Help Increase Your Website Search Rankings, should probably be increasing your web search rankings for the best keyword phrase for you. Finding what those ideal keywords are is the goal of this lesson, understanding keywords in search.
Let's say you have a vacation planning business, helping families find the best getaway that's kid-friendly and, of course, cost-effective. Cleverly, you name it, paper airplanes.
I like it. I can see where you're going with this, Emma. So by default, your website is optimized for the keywords paper airplanes. So if you create a lot of content with that phrase and being the name of your business, there's a good chance you'll be #1 in that search ranking, but for the wrong reason.
Yeah, there's a good chance you'll get what we call a high bounce rate. The second searchers looking for paper airplane instructions arrive on your website. And this is a good example of how the goal is not about the search ranking, but about making sure it's for the words your ideal customer or client is using to find businesses just like yours.
To know what those keywords are, you have to do some keyword research. Keyword research involves finding and analyzing phrases people use. You can boost your search rankings by sprinkling keywords naturally throughout your website content, because doing so tells search engines that your website has information that's relevant to their search.
Search engine optimization experts excel in this and can be a great resource you can hire to research the best keywords. However, since we're talking about doing this on your own, you'll want to brainstorm your current market, review competitors, review social media, and even try searching phrases yourself just to see what comes up.
Right, and to brainstorm, ask yourself what the focus of your website is, especially on its most popular pages. Review Google Analytics for the terms that are currently bringing your visitors to your website. And if you don't have that data, guesstimate what search terms you think your audience uses. Then ask other people what terms or phrases they would use to search for your website or pages without using the domain.
That's great advice. Also, study your competitors' keywords and what keywords your competitors rank for. The first step in this process is to identify your competitors. Then, leverage an online SEO tool to analyze the site's pages with the most traffic and the keywords they're targeting. Many of these SEO tools are paid software, but worth the investment for the results you can achieve.
Analyze customer conversations online by digging through social media channels, message boards, and forums. Look for common questions from your customers and the terms they're using to ask them. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and even X can also provide valuable audience insights. Pay attention to what customers are saying about your products and services to identify keywords to target.
Lastly, try good old-fashioned searching yourself to see what additional keywords a search engine like Google would recommend. Enter a keyword phrase on a search engine to see how Google auto-populates it for terms people might be using. You've probably seen this related searches section on Google when you scroll all the way down the SERP. These keywords can be added to your bucket of target terms and phrases.
Now with a list of ideal keywords, you can now begin to form a strategy around what keyword phrases are the most realistic phrases you could rank for. Start by looking at the websites that are ranking for these ideal keywords or keyword phrases. Back to the paper airplane business example. If you focus on ranking for best family travel deals, websites like Expedia and Southwest may always have you beat. But if you shake that up a bit and aim for best family vacations for toddlers, you might find an opportunity to optimize for that keyword phrase.
And that is a great example how just a few added or similar keywords can mean the difference to you ranking in the top 5 results or never scratching the first 5 result pages.
How you work in these keywords will be the focus of an upcoming lesson on page SEO. For now, let's move on to understanding the difference in local search ranking, which will help you further understand how search results differ based on location.